Alright, hello. It's been a while, but we're back. Today, I want to tell you and take you through the story of the photography trip that changed my life. So after 10 years of traveling and having the most amazing photography experiences that changed my life, I wanted to give that experience back to people like you, photographers who want to go and travel and get these amazing photos, but may not necessarily know how to plan a trip, how to go to all these cool locations, and I wanted to guide them along the way. So, I contacted a photography tour group company called Vietnam in Focus, and they've been doing photography tours in Vietnam for over 15 years. Fast forward 10 months, we had planned a photography trip. We had 2 people who wanted to come along to the trip, and we were in Hanoi, Vietnam.
Cheers, boys!
Let's go, baby.
The 2 guys who ended up joining me on this photography trip were Casey and Gaia. Casey had already been doing photography for a while and he'd built up quite a large following on social media, and Gaia was more at the start of his journey, and he's had a huge transformation since this trip. So I met up with the 2 guys, we walked around Hanoi that first night, and then we met up with the Vietnam in Focus team for a nice local style dinner. And then the following morning is when the tour really began. We woke up early at 6 a.m. and we were met outside by our tour guide and our private van driver.
Let's go, boys.
Let's go. God damn. Dude. Damn, that shot.
On the way to the shoot, we stopped off for one of the freshest bowls of pho that I have ever eaten. They were literally making it right in front of us. We headed straight to our first photography location of the 7-day tour, which was this small village island that you could only access by a raft. And the raft ride over felt like you were in this video game and you were in the loading screen right before you get to enter the level. Once we got off the raft, we explored the rice paper factories, the local markets, and we just got to photograph the locals doing their day-to-day morning routines.
Bit of street photography at the market. This is day 1 actually. So,
Yeah, it's sick. You're gonna do a photo tour. This man.
hey, next year, Vietnam 2026. Who's coming? Got some good shots today?
Yeah, lots. So many interesting places you never visit unless you had good guidance.
Yeah,
Definitely worth it. So fun.
let's go.
We were literally only hours into this 7-day photo trip and we had already gotten so many banger photos. It was just incredible. It's locations like these that you just would never find without a tour group, and doing these photo tours with a professional tour group who has so much experience just opened up this whole new world of photography for me, because previously, if I wanted to go to a country, I would just book a flight, I would go there and kind of search up on Google Maps or search up on websites cool locations. But having the local knowledge and being able to go to these rare locations that not many people know about means that you get to photograph the true culture of what's actually happening right now in these societies. I remember on one of the days we went to this other incense village where they literally are making incense sticks by hand.
Alright, now we are at a incense village or incense factory where they're making incense. So there's this is kind of the newer method where they've got machines, so it's more for high production, but all this is incense. We have someone packing it over there, someone photographing it over here.
Yeah. This is how it actually smells like.
Alright, what's it smell like? Smells like incense.
It truly felt like I was in a photography heaven, just being able to walk around with the 2 boys who joined the trip and our tour guide who was also a photographer. And you're just surrounded by like-minded creatives whilst you're in this most insane photo location. It just felt like everything aligned and it was just the perfect photography opportunity. Another thing that's so unique about Vietnam is that when you go to these remote villages, you see that all the children, instead of just inside on their iPads and iPhones, they're outside playing. And it's so cool to see, because that's just what life as a child is about, going out and playing with the kids in your neighborhood.
Okay, so we've just been doing photography in this another little town here in Vietnam. And every time I bring out the iPhone 17 Pro, they always freak out. They're like, oh my God, the new iPhone.
Ui, iPhone 17 mà chả. YouTube.
YouTube. Hey, hello.
Hello.
Every town we've gone to, the kids have been like this. It's always super fun. They always love playing and it's a good time. YouTube. Where am I from?
From
Australia.
Australia.
Where are you from?
Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Seeing these children playing in the street and being able to capture that authentic moment, it made me feel like I was able to capture photos that had a bit more soul and a bit more purpose to them as opposed to just going to a cool looking photo location. My favorite part of the trip was that everything was just planned. All the photo locations, all the meals, everything was just sorted. All we had to do was literally wake up in the morning, we had our private bus driver come, we would get picked up, taken to the photo locations with our tour guide, and we just got to go out there and be creative. If this photography trip sounds like something you want to join, then I'm also going to be hosting one at the end of this year, 2026, in October. It's only limited to 6 spots because we like to keep the group small, because when we go to these remote villages, if we rock up with 20 people, it's going to ruin the vibe and you're not going to be able to capture those authentic shots. So, spots are limited. If you would like to join, you can head to the description below and I'll have the link there where you can either book a call with me or we can go through the trip a bit more, or if you just want to save your spot, you can do that right away. Now it's up to you. Do you want to stay in the same photography routine that you've been doing, or do you really want to finally commit to something bigger and really push yourself and get out there and get some photos that you're truly proud of? I just wanted to share my experience on that Vietnam trip because it truly changed my life and opened up a whole new world of photography to me, and I wanted to share that with you. If you want to join me on the next trip, you know what to do.